T minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have main engine start. We have liftoff. What's up, guys? Today Big Brian is going to show you how to make cornbread. Oh yeah. Okay guys, to make the Jiffy mix, we need 1 box of Jiffy corn muffin mix. Let's pour that in. We need 1 egg and 1/3 cup of milk. So let's pour the 1/3 cup of milk in. And I'm gonna put the egg in. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I got the egg in, and I'm gonna tell you, a little bit of sugar don't hurt. Even if it's just that much. Okay? Now I'm gonna just mix it up real good. I'll be back. I'm gonna pause the phone so I can stir it up good. Gotta say it like Arnold. I'll be back. Okay guys, and that's how it should look when you stir it all up. And now we're just gonna put it in the pan. So now you want to do is just you can use this stuff, Pam, just like the original here, or whatever. This one, it's all on non-stick cooking spray. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Also guys, you don't have to use a muffin pan if you don't want. You can use a pan like this, okay? And bake it like a cake if you want to. Just make sure you put your non-stick cooking spray in there, okay? Don't forget to coat it. I'm going to use the butter flavored one. So you just spread. Otherwise the muffin cornbread will stick to the pan if you don't do this. Probably won't even use all of them. Okay guys, I'm gonna try to do this with one hand, just to show you how it's gonna look. Alright. And I was always told you can just do it halfway. So let's try that, and I'm gonna do the rest. I'm gonna pause the camera. I'll be right back. Okay guys, this goes in the oven at about 400 degrees. Pretty close to what I got the fish baking at, so I'm gonna put it in there now and let that cook for 15-20 minutes. Alrighty guys, cornbread is done. It's looking good. Let me get it out the oven. Yeah guys, cornbread looks marvelous. Now let's see if I can get it out here. I'm gonna flip. I'll be right back. Cornbread tastes good. Some of them did stick in the pan, but that's okay. That is fine with me because you can get it out of here. The cornbread tastes delicious. Zoe is so picky. Watch this. Her nose gonna like Bewitched. Izzo, get some fish. Watch this. Watch her nose. Want some fish? Dink. She's like, nope. But watch this. Want some cornbread? Izzo. Cornbread. She like the cornbread.